A Texas appeals court has significantly slashed the damages families can collect against Alex Jones for his false claims about the Sandy Hook school shooting. The judgment dropped the amount from $50 million down to $1.5 million. Parents Neil Heslin and Scarlett Lewis, whose 6-year-old son Jesse was killed in the 2012 Newtown massacre, had sued Jones. Jones had been found liable for damages for claiming the mass shooting didn't happen. The court ruled they didn't present enough evidence of harassment to exceed Texas's $750,000 damages cap. The decision does not change the separate $1.4 billion judgment against Jones in Connecticut.